Hey friends, if you wish to remove or update old passwords using the Credential Manager on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Credentials Manager in the Windows search bar and open Credentials Manager. You can select Web Credentials or Windows Credentials, any one of them. It will show all the credentials here. Okay, and if you wish to delete them, then simply click on the credential mentioned here. You can edit it. I won't show the password, or you can also click on the remove option here to remove it. Okay, so this is how you can remove any credential or edit any credential in the credential manager, but do it carefully. Usually I do not do it from the credential manager. I straight away edit the passwords from the browser or any other application or Windows itself. But yes, for removing it from your system, you can use a credential manager. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.